Maulana Hazir Imam Shah Rahim continues the visionary legacy of his late father, His Highness Prince Karim Aga Khan, with unwavering dedication to service, development, and compassion. Through the Aga Khan Development Network and its associated initiatives, his leadership has positively impacted the lives of millions across the globe. As a leader, Maulana Hazir Imam Shah Rahim provides clear strategic vision and thoughtful guidance. His leadership not only strengthens the Ismaili community, but also fosters broader societal progress. In education, schools and universities supported by Aga Khan Development Network provide children and youth worldwide with access to high-quality learning and lifelong opportunities for growth. In healthcare, hospitals, clinics, and programs established under his direction continue to deliver essential services, saving lives, improving health outcomes, and enhancing the well-being of communities. Prince Rahim Aga Khan is deeply committed to promoting intercultural understanding. Through his efforts, he has become a strong advocate for peace and dialogue, encouraging cooperation among diverse cultures and faiths. He also actively supports women's empowerment, promoting equal opportunities in education, healthcare, and leadership, and enabling women to play central roles in the development of their communities. His initiatives to reduce poverty through sustainable economic programs have generated employment, supported small businesses, and strengthened community resilience, helping build stable and sustainable futures. Prince Rahim Aga Khan values cultural heritage and has prioritized its preservation. Through the restoration of historic sites and the promotion of arts and culture, he reinforces unity and collective pride. His concern for the environment has led to projects aimed at protecting natural resources, such as water, land, and forests, for future generations. Internationally, Prince Rahim is widely respected for building strong partnerships with governments and institutions dedicated to human development. Beyond policies and programs, it is his humility, compassion, and genuine spirit of service that inspire people worldwide to follow a path of humanity and generosity. More than development alone, Prince Rahim Aga Khan's mission is to build a fairer, healthier, and more peaceful world for all. His vision reflects a profound belief in the dignity of every human being and in the transformative power of service to humanity.